Hi everyone, this is Marcia. Welcome to my channel. Happy New Year everyone. We have made it to 2023. Yay! It's a new year and a new project. And actually I'm going to start at the end. And if that sounds a little odd, let me explain. These earrings were from the last video that I made from my other channel. That was a week ago Wednesday. So, ending the year with that video and finding these, I'm going to begin this year's videos with repurposing them. I mean, as you can see, they look like they've never been worn. They still have the little rubber stoppers on them. But they are gorgeous. Beautiful blue and this green teardrop. It's a little off, but it was completely off on this one. And I've already taken this little part off. Actually, when you deal with this type of opening, a lot of times this will break. And I wanted to make sure I could do it. I could get it off without ruining this piece before I even did this project. Because if that were the case, it's, you know, you don't go forward. I need to find a new project. But they are beautiful. And we're going to take this off. And thanks to Martha, who suggested we could turn this into a pendant, we might do that as well. But for right now, let's start with the earring. And I have different pieces here that we can maybe work with. Of course, I have the pearl drop, which is probably my first. You know, the crystal and pearl. Very classic look. We've got that. I could do it in a cluster of 3, but I think that's too busy. I think this simple is the best. And we have these. Both of these, the next 2 that I'm going to show you, they all came off of it was a collar necklace, but it was done in the bead weaving, not the bead weaving, bead embroidery style. And all of these beads were on there. I don't know why. I don't know what's up with the jump rings, but these were in here. These and these. So this is kind of, on one side it looks like the opalite, but it's double-sided, so it kind of turns to a amberish gold color, which may work. Oh, lost the pen. Put that on there so I could hold it. Oh, I hope everyone's having a good day. Hope y'all didn't drink too much last night and can enjoy the day. Anyway, that's one look. Let me go ahead and, do I want to just leave it plain, or do I want to put something on top of there? What do I want to do? I don't know. See, the only thing with this is done in Silvertone, which doesn't look good anyway. And I was trying to get one of these little ones out here. This is also Silvertone, which we're not going to use because I don't like the way that looks either. But we have this. Oh no, not at all. Okay. Do I go ahead and put a bend on this without another piece on top? Sure, why not? I don't like doing that with a glass or a crystal because it can sometimes crack, chip the piece of glass. But we're going to do that. Save that. That is a big enough piece to work with when you need a loop on both sides. Okay, I have my little pliers here. So I've got the loop. It's not bad. I don't know. Of course, we have this. I'm not sure. I want to find something that doesn't have a blemish as far as the pearl, the coating. That one. Let's find another one that looks pretty clean. Not that one. Not that one. Not that one. Oh, they all seem to have a little, not this one, but like a little blemish. This one is less than some of the other ones, so let's take this one. Oh boy. We got those two open. I don't know. I like the size of the drop. I'm not sure I like that. So let's go ahead and very carefully take this one off, and hopefully we can do that without breaking it. Just a little more. Yes. So we'll see what we can do with this. Okay, so we've got this one. Let's see what... Well, before we do that, because I think I'm okay with the pearl, but we've got this drop, and this is a glass bead. I don't know. It's not quite... It's similar to the pearl, but it's a very light pink. Again, I think something should be on top, but we're not going to do that. We're just going to do a simple loop, no embellishment. I'll cut this. Oh, I'm off camera. I'm sorry. Sorry, you should see this. But of course, if you've seen me do a simple loop, and most of you probably know how to do a simple loop, so you're not missing anything. Come on. Gotta find the end. There we go. Gotta find the end that's open. Oh my. That looks cute too. I have to take, I don't know. I think I like this one over this one. So let's take this one off and see what the pearl. I probably am going to end up with the pearl. What do you think? I like my pearls. And these can always be added to an ear wire, and we can make a pair of earrings out of them. So... Oh my. The pearl? Yeah, the pearl. And this is pretty. I will probably add this to an ear wire. It's a very soft pink and would go very nicely, I guess, with almost anything. Grays. I think I'm going to get different different backs for these. So there you have it. I was going to say simple, but you know, if I had not gone through the process of getting to this conclusion, it would have been very simple. Just take them off of here and put them onto here. But there you go. So the earrings are done. Do we want to do something with this now? Where am I? Maybe. Let's see. So I'll finish this off and we'll have 2 more pair of earrings out of that. Now, do we want to add 1 pearl to that? It really doesn't. I guess you could wear these 2 together, but it's nothing really pulling these 2 together. You know what I mean? I mean, it's It's not like this piece is on here. So this is really a standalone. I'm going to very carefully try to close this one back up. I think I may have done it. A little bit more. Okay. And this, if you notice, this is kind of off as well. It's not sitting perfectly straight in there. So do we want to do anything? Since we have these open. Like this. I'm not sure 3 is good with this one either. Yeah, I'm not sure I like that. It's hard to get an idea because, you know, if I lay it down, it's not going to sit the same way as if it were straight up and down. I might have to think on this one. But we definitely have a pendant. Here's some other things that I took out. I thought maybe we could use 2 different size pearls, and the chain that it's on is not in good shape. But the beads are, I think they're both glass beads. Yeah, they're glass beads. And I thought even that would look good. Either size. But while I have this here, I'm not going to use them right now, but I did want to, some of you may already know this, but rather than cut this chain when you go to get these off, you know you can uncrimp. If you take that, put the crimp through that first or closest to the end, it uncrimps it. Like this. You see that round up? Or round out? Let's see, this is kind of kinked. But anyway, in case you didn't realize that. Yeah, this chain is in bad shape. So these pearls will be another project. I do like the pearls, not crazy about the chain. But for today, we are going to leave these as is. I like them. Let me know what you think. So for today, that's it. First project of the new year, 2023. I think it's going to be a good one. I hope and pray it will be. So thank you all for joining me. Check out my other channel. It'll be in the description box, and you'll see where these earrings came from. So until next week, until that next video, I hope you all take care. Bye-bye.